In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore default settings in Valorant. Whether you're new to the game or just want to start fresh, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can return your game to its original state smoothly. Starting off, you'll want to open the Valorant client on your computer and ensure you're logged into your account. This is important because the settings we'll be adjusting are linked to your specific profile. Once you're in, navigate to the upper right corner of the main menu, where you'll see a small gear icon. This icon represents settings. Go ahead and click that to open the settings menu. Within the settings menu, you'll notice several tabs at the top, such as General, Controls, Crosshair, and Video. Each of these categories contains specific settings that can be customized to suit your preferences. To reach the default settings, you'll need to reset each category individually. Start by clicking on the General tab. Scroll through the options until you find the button or link that says Reset to Default. Clicking this will return all settings in this category to their original default values. Keep an eye out for any confirmation pop-ups asking if you're sure. Select Yes or Confirm to proceed. Next, move on to the Controls tab. You'll follow a similar process here. Look for the Reset option and confirm your choice to backtrack your control settings to their default states. This is particularly useful if you've experimented with different key bindings and want to revert to the familiar, initially recommended setup. Afterward, switch to the Crosshair tab. Valorant is a game where many players customize their crosshairs for personal comfort or tactic advantage. If you've made adjustments and now want to go back to the default crosshair, find and press the Reset option here as well. This will ensure you're playing with the standard crosshair, which can be beneficial if you're finding new styles a bit distracting. Finally, proceed to the Video tab. Visual settings can often affect game performance, so it might be prudent at times to revert back if experimental adjustments have caused any issues. Once again, locate the Reset option and confirm your selection to ensure all your video settings are factory default. After resetting each section to default, make sure you save your changes before exiting the settings menu. Then, it's a good practice to restart the game to ensure all settings are correctly applied. Simply close Valorant fully and reopen it from scratch. And there you have it. Now you know how to restore default settings in Valorant, ensuring that your game runs with the original settings that were meticulously planned by the developers for optimal balance and performance. If you find these adjustments serve you better, consider keeping them, or feel free to explore customization once more, equipped with the knowledge to reset at will. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your gaming experience.